Hey guys, thank you so much for watching LearnJava. I'm Ashwini and today we will do a program about increment and decrement operator. So let's begin. What is it? So here we open the Eclipse and we'll go here and create a new class and we will name it as increment. Okay, so here we finish. So here came our window. Yes. So we'll input a number now. We'll input in x equal to 10. So if we want to increment a number without assigning its value, as we can now here write int x equal to 11. And we just print it. So we'll print x and we'll run the program. So here we are watching that it is coming error. It is coming error because we cannot override a function. As we already had assigned int x equal to 10, we cannot change the value of x like that. So the Java introduces increment operator. So we'll now see how it works. That we have given int x equal to 10. So to increment it, we will write x plus plus. Then we build a semicolon in next line. Then we will print x. We'll save the file and then we'll run it. So here you can see the result is coming as 11. This is because the value of x has been incremented by 1. And also to know guys, x plus plus can only increment to one number, right? If it is 10, then it can be 11, not 12. You cannot write x plus 2. That will be another just an addition program. But in increment, we can only write x plus plus. So there are two types of increment operator. It is x plus plus and one another is there, that is plus plus x. This is called as pre-increment operator, and x plus plus is known as post-increment operator. So that's it. So this is like this. So to know the difference, I'm doing a program. So let int x equal to 10, x plus plus. No, we'll print system.out.println x plus plus, and we'll another print system.out.println plus plus x, and then we'll run the program to see how it really works. So in the first we had seen that it is coming 10 and then the second printout statement is 12. This is because in x plus plus the value of x has not been incremented. It first print the x value and then it had been incremented. So in the first line the value of completing the sentence has come as 11. So after completing the sentence or the statement, the value had come 11, but before that it is 10. So in the next program, that is system.out.println, that is plus plus x, that means pre-increment operator. Pre-increment operator means it will first increment and then it will assign. So in the next statement we had got 11 here. So in this statement it has been a pre-increment operator, so the value of x is now 11, so it will first increment 11 plus plus, that is 12. So we got the value here 12. So this is how the increment program works, and the same is there for decrement. Let me show you how. Well, first you have to just replace plus with minus. Written x minus minus, and here we will write minus minus x. So let's see what result we are going to have. And here we have got the result 10 and 8. Why? As said before, this is a post decrement operator, so it will first then decrement. So the value of x here is 10, and after decrement it is 9. So when it comes to the second line, the value of the x is 9. So it will first decrement it once more, then it will print. So here we got 8. So that's why we got the result as 10 and 8. So this is how the increment and decrement program works, guys. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the like icon, and do subscribe my channel with the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. Thank you and have a nice day.